All right, you guys, what it freaking do? Your boy is back on the grind. One more time, your boy is back at it again, you guys. I'm gonna go in the shade right here so I can talk to you guys without squinting in the sun. But as you see on the garage here, y'all, your boy has an official sponsor. Major shout out to Aldan America, you guys. Major shout out to them, man. Gary and the team down there has been super awesome, and I couldn't be more excited to partner with these guys for the turbo Regal build. I think it's going to be a nice complement to the build, and I'm excited to get it going. Right now, the turbo Regal is in the shop, well, at my guy's house, getting worked on, getting some paint work done to it. Right now he has it all, pretty much all the trim torn down, and he's going to get into the body work here pretty soon. But anyways, you guys, I'm not going to keep this video long because my son is actually awake now, and I had just enough time to do an unboxing video for my Instagram, but I wanted to at least show you all this while it was out right now so I can show you guys what it all comes with, and to make it easier for me so I don't have to unpack and pack again, do this all again 2 and 3 times for you guys on YouTube. But anyways, if you're new to the channel, do everything, subscribe me, y'all, hit the notification bell, all that good stuff, y'all. Mr. Grimmett 23 in the building. Let me flip this camera around, show you guys what's up. Again, it's not going to be super long, but I want to show you at least what all the kit comes with, and so you guys can know. All right, you guys, here we go. Official sponsor, yes sir, Aldan American. Gary, Alexis, I really do appreciate this. Thank you very much. So Gary and Alexis are the 2 people that I've been talking to in regards to me coming aboard here and having them be a sponsor for my build and my channel. I really extremely do appreciate it. I'm so grateful, you guys. So anyways, I want to just show you guys the kit here that I got. So it's a full-on coilover kit for a Grand National, or G-Body you could say. If you go on their website, if you put in coilover kit for Grand National, I think it's from 78 to 87 if I'm not mistaken. The full-on kit, they send you everything. Now, make sure you check the website to see if all this stuff comes with it, because I don't know completely, because I think this might be a separate charge. I actually think this is a new product that they have. It's the bracing for the rear. So if you guys know anything about these old schools, they had shock mounts at the top, but when you put coilovers on that also combine the coils and the shocks together, well, that puts a lot of added stress on the shock tower up there, and they weren't made for that. So this adds a little bit more rigidity in between to make everything structurally sound in there. So I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think this is a new product, if I heard him correctly. But anyways, they have that. So I don't know if that comes with the kit, but everything else is here, you guys. So we have the coilovers for the rear. We have the hardware that they send with it. I think there's even some more hardware inside here. You have your thrust bearing, so that allows the coil to spin a little bit more freely without binding up. And then you have your bracketry that you mount to the bottom of the shock tower, I believe, and to the top of the shock tower up above under the car, along with that. Then you have, again, all your hardware, part numbers, and everything here, how they go with it. This is actually if you're using your stock control arms like I am. So this adds, again, a little bit more safety and rigidity to the bottom of your lower control arm, because the lower control arms on these stock cars obviously weren't made for these here, and the added pressure and stress that they add to that bottom mount on the lower A-arm. So that gives it a little bit more structure and rigidity to that lower control arm. Here you got the coils for the front, and then you have the shocks as well. Then you have more, did I call them thrust bearings? I might have called them thrust bearings. I'm not exactly sure what the exact name of them is, but you got wheel bearing, more bearings, and you have the added hardware. They even sent me some swag, the shirts, and a banner as well, so I can mount that up in my garage somewhere, you guys. So pretty much this is it, the complete full coilover kit for G-Body Grand National. That's how they have it listed on their website. They even sent me the tool to adjust the jam nut here as well to you guys. So let me know what you guys think. Again, I won't make this video too long. Again, I got my son watching him over here. He's probably talking to himself right now, but I am really excited about this, you guys. Good things to come for the channel. I can't wait to get this car back. It's gonna look super dope and it's gonna ride even better with this full-on coilover kit on. So let me know what you guys think. Definitely leave a comment. You guys run this video up. Come on, y'all. Let's make this channel go up and up and up like it already is. But man, we making it happen, you guys. I'm extremely pumped about where we're going with this, man. And it's going to be a super dope build, something new to the channel. And I'm really happy about this. So anyways, you guys, like I said, I'm not going to talk your ear off. But I got to get inside and get to my little one. But at least just wanted to show you this while it was all out. There'll be more in-depth videos in regards to this, obviously, especially when I get the car back. So it's going to be a step-by-step how to put these on if you don't know how. If you do know how, then you already pretty much know how. But every setup's a little bit different, the way they have their bracketry and how they mount and things like that. But all in all, it's pretty much the same, I would imagine. But we'll see kind of how this works. I'm really excited to kind of get this thing going. I know I said I'm excited a million times. That's because I really am, you guys. I'm just super grateful for everything that this channel has brought me, even all of you guys. I met people from all over the country in this car game, and it's brought me a lot of joy, a lot of happiness. And this is basically the fruits of my labor, you could say. And I'm just happy, man. I'm extremely happy. So anyways, let me go ahead and get off this phone here. So anyways, let me go ahead and get inside here, get into the little one. But if you're new to the channel, definitely think about subscribing. Now hit that notification bell, all that good stuff. Y'all, Mr. Griffin 23 in the building. And if you've never seen the Regal before, definitely stay tuned, because there's going to be more footage on it. It's an 87 Turbo Regal Limited. Currently, again, it's at my buddy's house getting some work done to it. It's super clean, really clean, and this is just going to add to it and make it ride exactly how I want it. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. You guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff. Y'all, Mr. Griffin 23 in the building. I'm out of here. Deuces. Peace out.